So you are wondering what you actually get when you join, what tools, what system. So let's break that down. That's an amazing, good question. When I joined, I was not so scared about the tech, right? Because as an IT manager, I'm very familiar with the tech side. But I know a lot of people are very worried about the tech side. So a lot of people are worried that they have to design websites, build funnels, figure out all the email automation. But let me tell you this, it's all done for you. It's a plug and play system. You learn without being a tech wizard. You don't need to have my experience. You don't need to have any type of technical skills. If you can point, if you can click and select this color versus the other color or these pictures, that's the type of decision you need to make. So yes, the tech side, you shouldn't be worried. All the website is designed for you. There are templates. All the tools are automated, and the email marketing, the funnel, everything is linked already. The only type of decision that you have to do are very non-technical. But let me break it down what you actually get. So you get the ready-to-use website and the funnel already built for you. And if you don't know what the funnel is, send me a message. I'll send you some details. Then you get the automated emails, all the follow-up system that runs in the background. If someone is inquire about your business, they sign in with the email, then they keep getting all the emails, follow-ups and all of that. Kind of what you are getting right now if you are signed up to learn more about the system on my page, then you'll start getting all those emails. I'm not writing all those emails. They are coming as part of the package, of the automation package that you get. So yes, you don't have to do any of that. And then of course you get the step-by-step training. All the modules are in there, from mindset to business, how to run a business, to how to set up a website, like not the technical side, but why and how it's working behind the scene. And then of course you get a mentorship that will show you what to do every single day. You get me as your mentor. So with my experience, I can help you more than maybe others can do, but all the mentors in this community are very capable leaders who will guide you through what the system is. You'll have your own personal mentor and the coach who will talk more strategical business needs. The mentor can be also the coach at the same time, but also you'll get this amazing community that's there to guide you, to support you, to cheer up with you, to make friends, to talk about the wins and the challenges. So yeah, it's truly a plug and play. You can spend your time learning and growing your business, not reinventing the wheel. So you do get everything you need in terms of tools and strategies to run your business. So for those of you who are scared about the tech, or for those of you who actually enjoy the tech, regardless which you are, let me tell you, this business comes with all that back-end part. You can understand it if you want, or you don't. It comes with everything you need. And if you want a behind-the-scene look at the tools, send me a message. I can show you more details, but definitely start with the free info session where you will get all the details of the pillars of our business, on how the things are working. You'll understand more of what a funnel is if you don't know that. So send me a message, register for the free info session, and you'll get all the details there.